Look what I just got in the mail. Time to make a smoothie. Okay, so we just got some. I'm so excited about it. It's been a little while. And ironically, check this out. I'm actually going to go and put some broccoli in here. I don't eat very many vegetables except when I go to Chipotle. Then I ask for vegetables and then I count it as sufficient. But that's me, whatever. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the lime, then the lemon. So what I ended up doing recently, which I never thought I would be doing, is I actually cook, or I don't cook. I use the entire lemon. I don't even, I don't even peel it. I do I just do, ooh, shake, 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 shake your lemon. Ugh, there we go. Sorry about that. See if we can be gentler. Lime. Ugh, come on. Sorry, shake, shake, shake. Shake your lime. There we go. Okay. Sorry about that, everybody watching. All right. Put the knife back. Okay. So, let's go ahead and put the broccoli in. Didn't have much left anyway. Oops, my little mic fell. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and put some of this. This is Greek non-fat yogurt. To be honest with you, I really like the old yogurts and everything with all the sugars in them. They taste way better. But that's all right. Okay, so we got that. Put some of these organic wild blueberries from Trader Joe's. Yeah, just empty it. So, how many cups are you using, Peter? I don't know. I'm just eyeballing it. Some strawberries. So how do you know? I don't know. I just want some food. Yeah, just do the whole thing. Ugh. So what if you overdo it? Let's put it this way. At this point in my life, you're never going to convince me that when I was 50 pounds overweight and all that fat was around my organs, that what I'm doing now is less healthy. Give me a break. All right, so then we're going to take one of these. You can get these at Costco, actually. So that's the acai. Put that in there. Ooh, we want all of it. Give me some of that. All right. Messy though. So if you're one of those people that doesn't like stains on your clothes, you might want to be careful. If I get stains on mine, I'm still going to wear it, so I don't really care. That's me. All right. And then we're going to go ahead and do 1 scoop of this. Now I believe this should be the orange flavor, the citrus. This thing has been a game changer for me because it tastes very orangey. It's very, very strong. So the fact that I have broccoli in there, I used to have kale as well. I don't have kale right now. I kind of stopped eating it. But anyway, that right there, actually, it pretty much takes out the taste of it. So, I don't know, it's just a game changer. I never thought I'd be putting broccoli in my smoothies, but hey, whatever. And then we'll add some water. Let's go blend it. Yes, sir. Here we go. So good.